When you try your best, but you don't
Bullies pick on kids who are different, or who they think are different, right?
Bullying is a trend for everyone. I don't get that.
Bullying isn't just beating someone up or taking their lunch money. It's anytime you call someone a name or write something mean on their Facebook page.
There are messages everywhere that validate this kind of bullying and taunting, and we have to make it stop. We can't let intolerance and ignorance take another kid's life.
That I can't directly relate, but I feel like everyone feels alone in their own way or feels bullied.
Prejudice, discrimination, it can be really hard, especially when it's coming from people that are close to you.
People are really brutal and horrible to each other, especially in high school. And we've all been there, we've all experienced it, and it can be really traumatizing and lead people to do terrible things.
There's so many bullies, it goes on so much, and I think that you should, especially if you're like a bystander, you definitely should, help out, because it can be you next. So
most importantly, to all the amazing kids that watch our show and the kids that our show celebrates, who are constantly told no by the people in their environments, by bullies at school, that they can't be who they are or have what they want because of who they are. Well, screw that.
If you give those bullies and those people that are so ignorant and fearful of their lifestyle, give them the power and effect, you're letting them win. They don't
Don't let them win. That's all I can offer. Please don't let them win.
It is important that we push the boundaries of love and acceptance. It is important that we spread tolerance and equality for all students.
The kids that are teasing you don't know anything about you, who you are, and what you can do.
That there is nothing, and I mean nothing, wrong with being different.
Being different makes you special, and there's a light at the end of the tunnel. So
There is hope and there is help.
Be proud of who you are. Be part of the solution. Stop picking on people before it's too late.
Hey everybody, it's Gaga. I'm backstage right now in Sweden, but I wanted to take a minute and say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everybody. 2008 was amazing. We're gonna have an even better in 2009, so I love you, and let's kick off the new year with a light me up, put me on top, let's fa la 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 la. Bye.
Lights